For your safety, remain seated with the doors closed, keeping your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside while the stand by your children.
Para su seguridad, favor de permanecer sentados con las puertas cerradas, manteniendo sus manos, brazos, pies y piernas adentro mientras el tranvía entra en movimiento.
Or any loose items that could fall from the train. If there are motion forward, please stay seated until the next stop and inform the nearest cast member. Thank you.
For your enjoyment, Disneyland Park will remain open till midnight, and Disney California Adventure will remain open till 10 p.m. Also, just a friendly reminder, folks, trams will be running until 1 a.m. And driver, you're clear. Alright, my friends, please remain seated with the doors closed until the shower comes to a full and complete stop. And I've indicated that it is safe for you to exit out on the driver's left-hand side. Once again, that'll be the driver's left-hand side towards the trash can. Please wait for the horn. Alright, my friends, please gather your belongings.
Remain seated, please. Permanecer sentados, por favor.